Hello guys, this is Bed with RC here, and welcome everybody to another video. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of my new rock crawler I got today. It is the Maisto Tech Rock Crawler 3XL. Actually, it's a pretty big rock crawler. It's got like features here, so ready to run, full function, hobby size remote, 2.4 GHz powered, Pro Series level 4 and 6.4 volt lithium rechargeable battery, and it takes 45 minutes to recharge the battery. So it is toy grade, but it looks pretty good for a toy grade, so guess we without further ado, gonna get into it. So this costed me £55, which I think is pretty good. So first thing we have the instructions. I didn't think this came with instructions, but it does. So turn this round. There we go. Shows there's nothing in the box. There we go. Here it is out the box. First we'll get the transmitter out. There we go. There's one. There you go. So here's the transmitter. It doesn't have proportional steering, but I believe it has proportional throttle. So yeah, that's the transmitter. Now we're going to take the car out. Okay, so quick note, this is air-filled tyres, which for crawling probably better because it adds extra grip when going over the rocks, so that's nice to have. Okay, here it is out the box. On off switch at the back, and then we got the trim. Nice suspension, good articulation. Pretty nice. You can actually take the body off, as you can see. It's got body pins, but the battery goes at the bottom. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm just going to get this out of the box. Okay, so in here we have the battery charger, got a indicator say when it's finished charging, which is nice. Then we got the battery. Is a 6.4 volt lithium ion battery, 500 milliamp hour. It's a very small battery. Connectors, it's kind of like a smaller version of the Tamiya connectors. And then here we got the batteries for the transmitter. Oh, and we've got extra body clips, which is nice. So that's everything. We've got the RC, very nice suspension, transmitter, and then batteries, battery pack, charger. So guess what we'll do now? I'm going to do a proper running video next video. So this is just the unboxing for now. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Been the Bed with RC. See you in the next video. Peace.